Today's first micro project is hanging up my piano harp to hang tools, rakes, shovels, and other implements of destruction. So it's right out there. I think I'll just need 2 lag screws and 2 washers from one of my washer bins. And now I just need a drill and wait, I don't want square heads, that'd be too cool. A drill and some accessories. A drill to pre-drill the wood, a drill to drill the metal if it's not big enough, 2 of the lag bolts, 2 of the washers, and the impact adapter to run these bolts in. Should be easy, right? Yeah, should be easy. Today I'm not going to overthink it, I'm just going to brute strength it. Kind of cheap, but I got 2 of these at an estate sale. I'm just going to put one across it and see how it does. Nice.